Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the crown button. One thing to mention, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So we need to open the menu. To do that, you can press the crown button, scroll through it, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings, of course. Now scroll through the settings and find the option called System. And once you find it, tap on it. In System menu, find the option called Disconnect and Reset, and of course tap on it. And here we have the warning message that the reset will remove all of our settings and data from our watch. Also, they recommend to use the phone application to do this process, because you can also do this through the phone application. But we're gonna do it through the settings anyway. So to do it, you can tap on the checkmark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete, which will take a while, at least a couple of minutes, I would say. So I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, so the reset is complete, and once it's done, you will see this animation on the screen, which means that you can pair your watch with another device if you like to. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.